Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be covering what is pole zero modeling of speech. Guys, I have uploaded complete speech and video processing subject tutorials. I'll provide that link in description. You can watch from there. If you are watching this video for the first time, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Guys, pole zero modeling is a mathematical model used in speech processing, and this model is used to represent speech signals using poles and zeros in Z-plane. Guys, Z-plane is nothing but it is a graph. This graph contains poles and zeros. Guys, I'll give one simple example so that you can clearly understand what are these poles and zeros. For example, if you consider vowels like A, E, I, O, U, whenever you speak A, our mouth will be opened and sound will be high. So we call it as increased frequency, and we will represent increased frequency with poles. And for example, if you consider M, N, whenever we speak M, our mouth will be closed. So there is less frequency or no frequency. Generally we consider it as blocked frequency as there is no sound, and we will represent this blocked frequency or no frequency with zeros. So poles mean increased frequency. Generally whenever we speak vowels like A, E, I, O, U, we will get increased frequency and we will represent it with poles. And whenever there is less frequency or no frequency, that is whenever there is blocked frequency, there is no sound, and we will represent it with zeros. And these poles and zeros are used to represent speech signals. Pole zero model helps in analyzing, that is nothing but understanding speech signals, modifying speech, and also synthesizing speech signals, that is nothing but generating speech from data, changing voice, improving speech clarity, reducing noise, etc. All this comes under synthesizing. Guys, this is Z-plane diagram where it contains both poles and zeros. Zero will represent blocked frequency, that is nothing but there is no voice, and whereas poles will represent increasing frequency, that is nothing but when we speak frequency will increase, and we call it as poles. Will represent zero with small o, and whereas will represent poles with small x symbol, and where RE stands for real part and IM stands for imaginary part. This is all about Z-plane diagram for speech modeling. Yes, whenever we speak, vocal cords will produce sound, and whereas vocal tract like mouth, throat, nose, all will shape our sound. So vocal cords will produce sound, and whereas vocal tract will shape our sound, and our speech is combination of vocal cords and vocal tract, where we call vocal cords as source and whereas we call vocal tract as filter, as it will shape our sound. And mathematical form of speech signal can be written as h of z equal to 1 minus z1 z power minus 1, and again 1 minus z2 z power minus 1 by 1 minus p1 z power minus 1 and 1 minus p2 z power minus 1, where z1 z2 denotes zeros and p1 p2 denotes poles, and z power minus 1 denotes a unit delay in discrete time signal. That is nothing but whenever we speak, our voice will not reach immediately to other person. It will take some time. We call the time as delay, and this z power minus 1 denotes delay in discrete time signal. Guys, I will give one simple example of poles and zeros. For example, when you say A, our mouth will open. This considers strong frequency. For example, if you say M, we'll say it with closed mouth. So we call it as blocked frequency, and the changes are represented with poles and zeros. So speech analysis means studying speech signals and finding what is inside it. For example, whenever we listen any voice, checking whether that voice is high pitch or low pitch and finding what is inside it. Like for example, whenever we say hello, computer will understand it. And in speech analysis, we'll use various methods like linear prediction, shortly we call it as LPC, and then we can find poles and zeros from speech. And by using this pole zero modeling, we can design various filters like designing filters that can remove background noise, improving voice clarity, etc. Speech production system contains vocal cords and vocal tract, where we call vocal cords as source and vocal tract as filter. Our speech is combination of these both, and whenever we give our voice to pole zero model, it will understand our voice, it will modify our voice, and then it can apply various kinds of filters, and then it will give output. This is all about pole zero model.